Happy morning, children. Today we are going to see a new topic, prefixes. A syllable or a word part added to the beginning of a word is called a prefix. A prefix has a meaning, but it is not a word. For example, disconnect, imbalance, incorrect, unhappy. Word parts dis, im, in, an are prefixes that means not or the opposite of. Remember, a prefix can change the meaning of a word. Some antonyms are formed by adding prefixes to words. Read the following sentences. Shall we read the sentences? Yes. First one, Tom is happy about painting the fence. Second one, Tom is unhappy about painting the fence. Do these sentences mean the same? If yes, you can tick in X box. If no, you can tick in no box. If no, what is the difference in the meaning of the two sentences? Which word gives this difference? Write it here. Okay. Shall we move to next? Yes. Observe that adding "un" before happy changes the meaning of the second sentence. It forms a new word, unhappy. Happy means joy. Unhappy means the opposite. That means not happy. Here, "un" is a prefix that forms a word of opposite meaning. Shall we see what is prefix? A prefix is a group of letters added at the beginning of a word to form a new word. So, a prefix is a group of letters added to the beginning of a word to form a new word. The word prefix means to fix something before or in front of it. The word prefix means to fix something before or in front of it. Usually we add prefix before the words. Some examples of common prefixes. Un plus happy forms unhappy. Im plus perfect forms imperfect. Mis plus guided forms misguided. Dis plus satisfied forms dissatisfied. In plus correct forms incorrect. Let us see next. When prefixes such as un, im, dis and in are added in front of words, they form words of opposite meaning. Here are a few rules for forming prefixes shown in the figure 2. Prefix added to word with prefix. Example, dis added to verb dis plus like forms dislike. Example sentences are: I dislike liars. My mother dislikes cooking. Mis added to the verb mis plus behave, misbehave. Example sentences are: I will not misbehave in my think room. Children who do not misbehave will be rewarded. Un added to verb or adjective. Un plus pack forms unpack. Un plus happy forms unhappy. Example sentences are: let us unpack our bags fast. Sam looks unhappy today. Im added to adjective starting with P and M. Im plus proper forms improper. Im plus mobile forms immobile. Mobile meaning, that is immobile meaning, is one who does not move. Improper. Behavior is not tolerated here. My grandfather has become immobile. In added to adjective, in plus capable forms incapable. Rita is incapable of lying. Ram is incapable of being selfish. Let us do this activity. Think and ink. Form opposites of the underlined words in the given sentences using prefixes. Rewrite the sentences using the newly formed prefixes. One has been done for you. Tom agreed to whitewash the fence. Tom disagreed to whitewash the fence. Here we are adding prefix dis to the verb agree and it becomes disagreed. Second one, Tom is a very active boy. Ben was very polite while asking Tom to let him paint. Billy Fisher tied the kite's string. Aunt Polly asked Sydney to lock the door. Tom used his time during the punishment. Try this and do your home fun. If you have any doubts, you can make a call and clear your doubts. Thank you, children.